There's a lot of up-and-coming new energy codes and policies. These new codes require increasingly higher levels of energy performance.
Builders, developers, suppliers, they need to know both where the market is going today, but where it's also going to go in 5, 10, 15 years.
Buildings are one of our biggest producers of greenhouse gases. If we make very small improvements to a very large number of things, simple multiplication tells us that that's going to have a huge effect.
Building Pathfinder is an online interactive design tool to assist with energy efficiency decisions in multi and residential buildings.
The Building Pathfinder tool is a rapid prototyping tool, so you can look at strategies that you can use to meet the energy metrics that are required by the municipality or by the province or by the client.
So Building Pathfinder, it aims to focus on 3 objectives, which are thermal energy demand intensity, which is TEDI, total energy use intensity, or TUI, and greenhouse gas emissions intensity. In terms of these metrics, the way they're colored right now is on the low end is where we want to be. Those are the better performing buildings. So where you see red, those are the high performance options.
The data is driven by the industry standard program from energy modeling called HOT 2000. It's as if somebody took a couple 100,000 runs at modeling multiple buildings.
When I'm working with builders and architects and developers, I can use the tool to show them a number of different ways they can meet the performance requirements.
We can look at the performance of the walls, performance of the roofs, window performance, some mechanical system options like heat recovery efficiency, infiltration or air leakage through the building envelope, and finally heating fuel source. And so now really quickly we've been able to look at one set of design criteria and we can instantly see what the results are for TEDI, TUI, and greenhouse gas emissions.
At a glance they can see, oh, I can make this work with some modifications, I can achieve this higher energy standard.
We can see whether or not we're compliant with something like the city's zero emissions building plan, and whether we've achieved our high performance targets.
We're going to meet the demand for housing by having better tools that let us work faster to create sustainable housing.
Having rapid prototyping tools helps builders and developers so they can quickly advance from bare land to a completed multifamily housing project.
We're going to meet those demands for housing by working smarter.